G'day, it's Tony from GME. In this video, we're going to cover the XRS Connect Active Mute feature, which is standard across the range of XRS Connect GMRS radios. XRS Connect Active Mute is a really handy feature if you've got your radio on in the vehicle and you receive a phone call on your mobile phone. The radio can automatically detect that phone call and mute your radio so that you don't have any unwanted interference from your radio whilst you're on the phone. There's a couple of different ways that XRS Connect Active Mute works, and we'll show you how to set it up in the settings now. So jump into your main menu, navigate down to XRS Features, press the menu button again, and you've got Active Mute, Crew Talk, and Voice Playback. Now, if you want information on Crew Talk or Voice Playback, check out the other videos on the channel, but today it's all about Active Mute. Jump into the Active Mute menu and you'll see two options: Mute Timeout and Reduce Volume. Now, Mute Timeout is set at 30 minutes from factory, but you can adjust that to whatever time you want, which means that when the radio goes into active mute, it will automatically come out of that mute state at the predetermined time. Reduce volume, you've got four different options. You've got mute, which completely turns any audio output from the radio off whilst active mute is active. You've got 75%, 50%, and 25% volume reduction. So this is really up to you how you want your radio to perform. For some users, if you're on a phone call but you still need to be able to hear what's coming through your radio, you can set one of those percentages in terms of the volume reduction. You can still hear that the radio is receiving a call, but it's not going to overpower the conversation that you're having on your mobile phone. Now, there's two distinct ways that XRS Connect Active Mute works. If you've got the XRS Connect app on your phone and it's connected to your radio, whenever your phone receives a phone call, the radio will automatically mute itself, and then when you end the call, the radio will return back to its non-muted state. The other way that Active Mute works is you can program one of the XRS Connect programmable buttons to active mute. In my case, I generally have the XRS button single press programmed to active mute, and if you want to mute your radio manually for a conversation in the vehicle, or if you're at the drive-thru ordering some takeaway, you can simply press that button. The radio will be muted until you press the button again, or it reaches your predetermined mute timeout, and then the radio will return to normal operation. If you've got any questions in regards to how the feature works, drop a comment below or head to gmeus.com for more information.